Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Onedaysaving. That is www.onedaysaving.com. Now, all of us know that Onedaysaving has a massive website. You must go and look. They sell a lot of different types of things. Their customer service is amazing. Their products never disappoint, and their shipping is really fast. Now, they do sell our favorite cross stitch. They sell the newest beaded cross stitch. They do diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and so much more. They also custom all those products. They sell all the tools and accessories that goes with it. And what's even more, they do things like wax seal stamps. They do scrapbook series, the weaving series, epoxy mold, tattoo stickers, nail art, and even puzzles. Now, if you want to save a bit more at Onedaysaving, you just type in my discount code, which is RALA10 off. For extra 10% off. Also, if you order for $59 or more, you do get free shipping. Now, they're still running their sale, and it's a big sale. Why? Because all these discounts I'm telling you about now, they go off automatically in your basket, and then you can still use your discount code. So it is, if you buy 6, you get 8% off. If you buy 10, you get 10% off. If you buy 15, you get 12% off. And if you buy 20, you get 15% off. And that's not even the end of it. If you order for $40 or more, you also get a free gift. Now, that is amazing. There's lots of savings, lots of specials. And if you go on the site, there's even specials on the site. It will keep you busy for a while. Now, let's have a look what we got for you today. So you're going to have a look at the picture. And guess what it is? You don't have to guess, you're looking. It's more beautiful ladies. Sorry, I can't find the opening in the bag. Let's have a look how they look. I love these. I absolutely adore them. Alright, so let's just get that there, this and this. Okay, so let's start with this. There's 5 needles, needle threaded thimble, and then they in that little tubes. I like this packaging. I've said it before. I like this little tube they put the needles in. It is much better. Now the pattern is on that shiny foam. I absolutely adore. It is for durability. It's very strong. This pattern is smaller than the usual ones, but you don't need it. The pattern is printed on your Ada. You only need this for in case something happens to your Ada, like it gets wet. Now the colors in this one is 36. And that's more than enough because most of it is blues and whites and grays. She's fabulous. There's a beautiful picture over here. She's 11 count. And there's an instruction leaflet printed on this pattern. Like I said, 36 colors, 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 stitches by 147 stitches. Alright, so let's have a look at this Ada. I just love these ladies. They are superb. There you go. Now, you know, it looks busy, but I'll show it to you now. It's serged all the way around for our convenience. 11 count, like I said, 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 stitches by 147 stitches, 36 colors. Now, the printing is fabulous, absolutely amazing. Now what I want to show you is it looks like a lot of confetti, but it's kind of grouped, so you can follow it. It's not one and then you must look for another color like it. You can actually go and do all the same color at the same time if you want. So it's not that difficult. It's actually very easy, and it's not big, so it's gonna be fabulous. I think this is amazing. Beautiful product. Amazing. Okay, let me just see. Where's the seas there? Where's the waves coming in? The waves come in from there and there. Oh, this is gonna look so beautiful. Alright, so let's look at the pretties. Sorry for the crinkle, but by this time, you know, I can't do anything about that. You can see they are on floss drops and the one escaped. So just hold on so I can organize things here. Don't want them to get all ugly. They slid a bit. Okay. Ta-da-da-da. Like you said, it's not a big stitch. It's mostly blues and greys and light blues. And this brown, for what's that? That's probably for her hair. It's probably for her hair, yeah. And skin, yeah, that is what it is. It's, there's a green, but when you do it, you'll see. All right, lots of blues and grays, and look at that, there's some green. But I see when you work with, I'm going to show you now, hold on. This type of green, it's so light. When you work, it looks white. So it does not look green when you actually work with it. This is fabulous. I love it. I love these ladies. Excellent. Now, while I pack this away, I want to ask you if it's the first time watching my videos. Please, if you want to, please hit that subscribe button. By doing that, you help me out a lot. It's for free and you motivate me to make more and more videos for you. Also, press the like button if you like this video and leave me comments in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. Alright, you've been watching this lady. So let me open her. Before I chat about her, I know she's got a lot of shells. That's all I remember. So let's see. Oh, she's pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so this one is a lady sitting on the beach. Her hat has got flowers and she's sitting in between flowers and butterflies and roses and lilies and all kinds of stuff. Very, very pretty. So let's have a go. 5 needles, needle threader and a thimble, and 5 needles is in that little test tube, that tubey thing. I like it. Great. The pattern once again is printed on my favorite shiny foam for durability. Do not get it wet in front. It's not water resistant. Now she is 11 count. Beautiful picture. There is an instruction leaflet on the pattern. And there is 38 colors. She's also 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 by 147 stitches. Beautiful. I want to see what this is. This is where the bow goes. And the shells and stuff should be here. But there's lots of stuff. So this is going to look, I love it. It's pretty. The picture is pretty. Okay, so let's have a look at the Ada. The Ada is on the bright white Ada, and it's serged all the way around for our convenience. It's just not serged on this. They even serged it there or not. Let me see. No, they didn't. But you don't have to. At the edges where it's the edge of the material, you can never mess that up. That's gonna be very difficult. It is 11 count. The printing is excellent. It's also, you know, lots of people will take that is busy and confetti, but I don't see it like that. I'll show you now. So 38 colors, 39 by 39 centimeters, 147 by 147 stitches. Now, why I don't see this as confetti, let me explain it to you. Look at that. It's not real confetti. Real confetti, you've got 1, 1, 1, 1, and you've got nowhere to go. So yeah, say you take dark blue, you can jump a bit and there's more everywhere. I don't know. I do cross country and there's enough thread to do that. I do not worry too much about my backs. The back, as long as I can do this and there's no humps and bumps, I don't. The front of the picture is what matters to me. That's fun to me. So once again, excellent product. I adore it. So let's have a look at the pretties. What's falling where? Did you guys hear that? Well, I heard it, but I can't see it. Alright, so let's have a look here. Oh, the back fell off. There you go. Oh, lots of greens and light blues, grey, brown, maroon. Where does that go? I wouldn't know. We will see when we do this one, right? Very, very pretty. They're on floss drops. The colors are perfect. Once again, not a lot of thread because you don't need a lot. It's a small stitch and you're going to have leftover. Look at that. Fabulous. Amazing. I love it. I absolutely adore this, ladies. Tell me what you think in the comment box. What do you think of all these ladies by the ocean? I think they're superb. But that is only me. I would like to know what you think. Alright, so while I pack away, I want to thank Onedaysaving. Wow. You've sent me beautiful things. Thank you very much. And then I want to speak to you. Yes. Thank you for always supporting me and watching my videos. I really, really appreciate it. And then for a final note, I just want to remind you to go and look at Onedaysaving sale. It is big savings. Go and have a look. They've loaded new stock. It is fabulous. Well, till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.